So I'm headed back to the race track right now. Unfortunately, as I got DQ'd, I won't be racing today. But everybody's been so nice to me. People let me borrow their gear. I am very accepting, you know, given my limited experience. So nice, helped me out with some tips and stuff. So I want to give back a little bit, try and get as many photos, cool shots, cool media, cool content for people as I can. So I'm out to do that right now and also have some fun. Good morning. So out here, it's the final day of the races. Headed out. Dino, the 17-year-old guy, he's pretty nervous about this race. He's asked me to hold his rope for him. So basically what that is right before the start, we hold onto the ropes with everything we got, and he's gonna rev it as strong as he can without pulling me in the water. When they start the race, let go, and he's got a boost from all those revs to start the race. So wishing the kid good luck, headed out to help him out.
Rob 来自美国，然后我们的中文名字叫肉白，肉白。
那你怎么取第一名？
怎么取得第一名？那就是把在我前面的人把他弄掉，然后超过他了。我在拍视频呢。修肌肉。
So that's day 3 of the races over. Wow, everybody else was racing, obviously not me because I was disqualified, but had some fun just getting photos of everybody. Tried out the jet surfboards again. I couldn't get up the last time, but today I was ripping it. Turns out that the back foot pad was just way too tight the other time, so I could never get my foot in, loosen it up, and man, got right in, and it's so much fun. Really challenging, but a lot of fun. I'd love to try it in fresh water. So I'm just headed back to the hotel right now. I'm gonna smash dinner and hopefully have some fun with the crew tonight. Good morning, dude. Are you ready for the race?
Yeah.
Yeah? How old are you?
14.
14, wow. All right, buddy, good luck. Asley, what's going on, man?
Hey, what's up, Rob? Morning.
Are you ready for this race?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, nervous?
A little bit.
A little bit, why?
I'm old.
Yeah, what place are you in for the start?
I'm gonna start on the lineup 6.
6, ouch.
Yeah, that's on the outside lane. Yeah, but I'm just gonna give it a go. Yeah.
And what's your goal?
Top 5.
Top 5, so you gotta pass one person.
Yeah.
Good luck, man.
Nice one, Rob.
Back with the van here, going on a little adventure. So just waiting now to get into this cave. Got about 5 minutes checking this out. It's like waterfalls everywhere, this sick bridge. Really cool place. Absolutely gassed after that cave. We've been jet skiing, jet surfing, doing all this crap. I'm so tired right now, but that was pretty sick. Beautiful cave here. How much are those? 30 each. 天天上去走路多远？1个小时啊。1个小时，感觉累不累啊？
累呀。
你还背着这些东西吗？
把这些东西全部背上来呀。
全部背上来，
哎，
那可厉害。辛苦了
你。们是一家的吗？
Hi, what's your name? 陶雅琪，很可爱。
会说。
那个山洞里边好玩吗？好玩。你猜我多大呀？
100岁。
啊，100岁。哎，问你，这些老外哪个长得最胖
那个广东的那个。
？Fattest。
The fattest, yeah.
你觉得哪个最好玩呢？
你。
耶！ Just about to head out from me here. So there's still some international team members in the hotel, and the bus driver's getting a bit pissed off because he can't drive after 2 a.m. by the law, and it's a 7-hour drive to Kunming. Will we make it? Stay tuned to find out.
We always wait for them.
Thanks for showing up.
Yeah, got here eventually, man.
Everything's up.
Oh, I don't think it's up on us over here. Get some good photos and stuff.
Look at this. They got a robot. 你好，南方航空在哪里？
中国南方航空的杰西岛位于第
That's so cool. I asked where's China Southern Airlines and it pointed me there. That's so cool. Bye, robot.
请按归
I'm at the Kunming airport right now. It's been about a week since my first flight and still no sign of my luggage, still missing in action. My colleague Jean in Shanghai has been working on it. So far nothing from Alaska Airlines or Hainan Airlines. So still trying to figure that out. Hopefully when I get to Shanghai we'll be able to get it before I head home and not lose it forever. But here we go to the airport. Next flight is coming up. Anyways, if you guys like this video, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get that next video first. We'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.